Your house will never stay clean with those long tidying sessions. Start breaking yourself of the marathon cleaning habit by training yourself to do short bursts of cleaning. Set a timer. When it goes off, you stop there. 30 minutes of daily cleaning will help you to clean your entire kitchen perfectly without getting tired. That's what I always do, and in this video I will show you how and what you can clean in kitchen in just 30 minutes. So let's start the timer. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I always focus on the small things to do at a time, and it makes a lot of difference when you started doing it regularly and over the period of time. Cooking creates a lot of mess over the counter and you have to clean it once your cooking is done. You have no other choice. So today while cleaning counter, I decided to clean all the containers which I kept on the rack. After so much rain from last few days, it's good to see little sunny outside. Anyways, coming back to our kitchen, so I decided to clean all my containers today. So my cooking is done and I will clean my kitchen countertop first. Proper cleaning of countertop is important after every cooking so that we don't get uninvited guests like ants and cockroaches. Always keep a separate plate for keeping your spatulas and spoons instead of keeping them directly on counters. This way your counter will remain clean always. Keep your used kitchen towels properly and hang them neatly so that they will dry and there will be no smell remains in the towel. Try to change your kitchen towel daily or at least in a couple of days. Whatever trays you are using on your countertop, clean them and put fresh paper napkin or mat every week. By keeping outside on open racks, containers and jars are tend to get dusty in just 3 to 4 days. So once in a week it becomes very important to clean them properly and it will not take much of your time. So once in a week, set a day and club wiping jars and containers with your counter cleaning after your cooking. If you are looking for some good kitchen organizer to buy, you can check such useful kitchen and household organizers and products from Miralink shopping website. Miralink by Bulbul Shop has variety of kitchen organizers and other household products. Do check the website by just clicking the link from the description box below. Miralink provides you free delivery and free cash on delivery along with the easy returns and replacement in 5 days. You can also place your order through WhatsApp link given in the video description below. Check the website and avail exciting discounts and offers. If you like to order from Miralink, don't forget to download the app for easy returns and refunds. You will get every product at very reasonable price. Kitchen sink cleaning can also be done side by side when you clean your kitchen countertop. Today I am scrubbing my sink tap with toothpaste to give a little shine and to remove watermarks. We don't always need any chemical to clean such type of surface. Actually, I always avoid using harsh chemical for cleaning as it is not good for our hands also. Along with tap, I am going to clean soap dish and other rack on which I kept dishwashing liquids and liquid hand wash. You must clean the basket also in which you keep your sponge and brushes. While cleaning your sink, Check the under sink also if you need any cleaning. I have cleaned my under sink area, but I can't show you that cleaning process as there is no space to fit camera while working. Very less space is there and I was unable to fit my tripod and ring light to show you my cleaning process. But I just cleaned the surface and I use this space for keeping dish rack and tub as I don't have any utility area separately. I covered my sink bottom portion with a nice adhesive paper to make it look neat. So this is all my sink. Also I use its door to hang kitchen dusting clothes with the help of few organizer. Its doors were dirty so I scrubbed them with some soap and now my sink area is neat and clean. Don't ignore your kitchen cabinets. Keep checking in between whenever you get time. Few days back only I cleaned my cabinets and I have shown you cup organization, so I don't need to clean it again. It's not dirty now. But I am placing mat on the shelf. By placing mats inside the cabinet, it becomes very easy. Whenever you want to clean your kitchen cabinet, you just remove the mat and clean them. Surface remains clean because of the mat. We all use dishwasher nowadays, very commonly used in every home, and it's always good to use that empty space over the dishwasher as a storage. And every storage need cleaning time to time. So in today's cleaning I involved this space cleaning also. I used dishwasher top for keeping water jug which I clean every day. But the ceramic jug and wooden cutleries I clean once in a week or maybe in 4 to 5 days. So I am wiping the jug and the wooden tray and also the dishwasher, and I will wash all the wooden cutlery and then I will put it back. One more thing we regularly use almost daily is our microwave. Microwave normally used for heating food and beverages, and unknowingly we keep on using it without much cleaning. You must clean your microwave alternate days from inside to remove any food or liquid stains. And from outside also we should clean our microwave, and if you use any cover over it then try to change it every week to keep the top surface clean and neat. You must be thinking, how is that possible to clean all these things in just 30 minutes? Well, just try and you will find out it is very much possible. Being so lazy, if I can do that, then it's possible for anyone. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm looking forward to more subscribers to join me. Keep watching and take care of yourself.